the topic which we are going to study today, that is les articles. Les articles means the articles. In French, there are four types of articles: les articles définis, les articles indéfinis, les articles partitifs, les articles contractés. Now the question comes, what are definite articles? In English, we have only one definite article, which is the. But in French, we have le, la, l'apostrophe, les. As you already know, we have le is the article which is used for masculine singular object. La is the article which is used for feminine singular object. L'apostrophe is the article which will be used for masculine singular and feminine singular object, but that object should be started with a vowel. And for the plural objects, we'll use les. Second is les articles indéfinis. Indefinite articles are in English a, and some. But in French, we have un, une, des. Un is the article which will be used for masculine singular objects. Une will use for feminine singular object. And they will use for masculine and feminine plural objects. The third article is partitive articles. The partitive articles are du, de la, the l'apostrophe, and they. In English, it is some. Now, the partitive articles will be used in French for eatables and for drinks when the nouns are uncountable. The next article is les articles contractés. The contracted articles are categorized into two parts. The first is with the preposition a and the second is with the preposition the. With the preposition a, the articles are o, which is a plus l. Second is ala, which is al plus la. And third is il apostrophe, which is il apostrophe. And the fourth is o, that is aux, which is a plus le. And these four articles will be used for to the, at the, and in the. In these contexts, we will use les articles contractés with the preposition a. Now, the second category of the article contracted is when we use with the preposition the. Now, the contracted articles are du, de la, the apostrophe, and they. So, du is the article which will be used for masculine singular objects. De la we'll use for feminine singular. The apostrophe we'll use for masculine and feminine singular but started with the vowels. And then we'll use for they, that is for masculine and feminine plural objects. Now the contracted articles will be basically used for places. So this is the description of the articles in French.